Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the Nifty end of the week analysis. In my previous video, I have given the weekly levels. So these are the weekly levels shared. We should go long above 9391 and we should go short below 9145. So let's see these levels for April 27. Okay, so this one is on April 27th and Nifty opened at around 9260. So if you see these levels, I have marked 9390 over here and 9145, which is our sell level over here. Now if you see this date, Nifty did not come to both buy levels or sell levels. This means our setup is not come. I know this will be frustrating for certain traders. Nifty is going up here and I am not in trade, or Nifty is going down and I am not in trade. But as a trader, we need to believe in our setup. We need to take a decision that until my setup comes, I will not enter into a trade. Once you decide this and make up your mind, then it is easy to control your mind. We need to build the patience to wait for the setup to come. So 27th, as per our levels, there is no trade. So let's see what happened on 28. So we are on 28. So this is the chart for 28 up to here. See, Nifty opened at around near to our levels 9390, but it could not sustain there. As per our setup, it has to the 5 minute candle has to close above 9390. Okay. So in my previous video, I explained the weekly levels. I mentioned that if the buy or sell levels come in the opening time or in the first 15 minutes, we need to wait for the 15-minute candle to complete, which means the first 3 5-minute candles, and then we have to take a trade accordingly. So after here, it hasn't come to our levels. Our buy level is 9390. It hasn't come to this level. Now see, it has taken a bottom over here and then slowly started coming up. So during the whole day, Nifty is slowly coming towards our buy level, and see where Nifty is closed. See the 3:20 p.m. candle. It cut 9390, but it could not close above it. But the last 5-minute candle, it closed above our buy level. Now what shall we do? As per our setup, we need to wait for this the next candle and see it is cutting above the high of this 5-minute candle. So as per our setup, there is no trade on this day also. So it is really testing our patience. But we need to build that level of patience. We need to wait for our setup to come and then take the trade accordingly. So now let's see what happened on 29th. See, Nifty opened at 9408 and then there is a 5-minute candle which has closed above our buy level 9390. Okay, and then ideally we should wait for this 5-minute candle to complete and then wait for the next candle and close, or it cuts the high of the first 5-minute candle which has closed above our buy level. So he will be taking a trade over here, a buy trade over here, and then with immediately with we need to put a stop loss which was around 9145. So see how the Nifty has gone. it has made a high of 9599 over here. Okay, our target, the first target is 9633. So for that day it did not come to our level. Now again see this, it has made a high of 9599 and then started coming down. Now for the retail traders who were in profit at this time, again the tension start coming. It is going down, I am losing my profit, what shall I do? So this is where we need to believe our system, we need to see our target. Until the first target comes, our stop loss remains 9145. But here again, our trade is at 9390 and we got more than 100 points. So if we are getting more than 100 points, we can keep our stop loss somewhere close to the buy level, so that we will not lose anything. Even if tomorrow it comes below, and then we may not lose anything if we keep a stop loss over here. Okay, now as per our setup, we need to be in trade until our first target comes or until the second target comes. But if a trader is trading in one lot, he has to get out of the trade once the first target reaches. So as per our setup, we have to be in trade. We are not closing the trade because our first level did not come. Now let's see what happened on 30th April. There was a huge gap up opening, and then it has opened well above our first target, and then it traded towards our second target of 9875. We should close our trades over here, all our trades. Whoever is trading with one lot, two lots, or three lots should close their levels over here. They should close their trades over here. Now see, there is another thing. If somebody is trading with two lots or three lots, they can close trade somewhere over here. When this the big 5-minute candle low is broken, they can close one lot and keep the other one lot or two lots for the next day, so that they can book some profits. But if a trader is trading in one lot, there is no option before us. We need to be in trade and wait for the target to come. If we lose our patience and get out of the trade, we may lose this profit for the next day. So we need to keep this in mind. Until if you are in trade, then we need to wait until the target comes. Or if you are satisfactory with your profits, you can get out of the trade somewhere over here also. So it is up to you. But as per the setup, the target levels are 9633 and 9875. Now for this week, we entered the trade on 29th April. We kept our trade over here, and then we were lucky to get the first target and the second target for this week. Thank you very much.